All right, Rob Frazier here. Just wanted to basically talk about my crypto retirement plan. So, all of these programs that I'm laying out here are over 7 years old, and this is in trace of basically getting scammed out for the last time. Once you're making money online, you have to pay taxes, especially if you live here in the United States. And if you're relying on a passive income deal, you're withdrawing that money, you got to set some aside for taxes. If you're not doing that because you think the program's going to last forever and then you get behind, it's just a very bad situation. So, because of that, this is how this whole crypto retirement plan was born. So, and there's 4 programs on here that I'm going to talk about, but there's really like 2 phases. So as you can see here, the first program's Leads Leap, the second program's TASv7, the third program's ICoin Pro, and the last program is Infinity Traffic Boost. Now, this is the first and second phase. There is a third phase, but basically I'm going to just lay out the general idea and the money flow. So what I've learned with crypto deals, you have to have crypto traffic. If you don't have crypto traffic, the hard thing to always have to do is show people, if they've never been involved, how to buy Bitcoin, where do I buy Bitcoin, how do I trade it for Litecoin, all of the basic questions you have, that becomes a point of resistance. So with the crypto retirement plan, it took me a while to kind of wake up to this realization that it's best to have crypto traffic sources to promote crypto deals. Duh, right? But, some of us are a little slower than others. Like I said, I spent 12 years in the Marine Corps, and you didn't have to be the smartest guy, the sharpest tool in the shed to join the Marine Corps. Okay? So, anyways, so first program's Leads Leap. Leads Leap. And this goes all the way back to the beginning. When I first started making money online, I have a video saying you need a business, you need a marketing system, and you need a traffic source. So we have the business, TASv7 / ICoin Pro, and I'll talk about that in a second. We have the marketing system, Leads Leap, which also doubles as a traffic source, but the capture page, this video, all the different things I'm putting together in a share code, even some of the Infinity Traffic Boost sales funnels are all made through Leads Leap. Also, I will say, Leads Leap, ICoin Pro, and Infinity Traffic Boost, join those 3 for free. Taz is the top tier direct sales business on the back end that's going to teach you marketing, that's going to boost this whole thing up. So basically, it starts by step 1, create a Leads Leap account. Step 2, opt in to learn about Taz. Step 3, go through the free boot camp at ICoin Pro. And step 4, Infinity Traffic Boost. Leads Leap, ICoin Pro, Infinity Traffic Boost free. Taz, you can opt in and start learning about it. The basic level is $100 in either Bitcoin, or I think they accept Tron as well. And it's a very simple loop. Leads Leap, you can promote this whole thing on. Infinity Traffic Boost, you can promote this whole thing on. And it's very simple. On Leads Leap, I promote my capture page that promotes the TASv7 opportunity. Whenever I make a sale in Taz, I divide it in half. So if I make if I earn a $100 commission, $50 will go into my ICoin Pro, basically my trading account, not ICoin Pro specifically, but ICoin Pro will teach you how to trade, and so some of that money will go into my trading account. That's the retirement plan. Some of the money will go over here into Infinity Traffic Boost, which is traffic. What am I promoting on that traffic source? I'm promoting my Leads Leap capture page, which promotes the TASv7 opportunity. Whenever I earn a $250 commission through Taz, you can earn commissions from $50 all the way on up to $50,000. You get in where you fit in. They have 100, $250, $350. I forget. I think they do have $350 and a $500 level, $1,000 level, and it goes on up in increments. But again, you get in where you fit in. And it's a very simple process. This whole thing, you're promoting on Leads Leap, which is one traffic source, and Infinity Traffic Boost, which is another traffic source. Following this plan, I now have 260 some odd Leads Leap signups and about 73, I think, Infinity Traffic Boost signups. I have to look in my back offices to make sure. But it's very simple. And that's it. These are the 4 programs. And later on, I will add a couple other crypto traffic sources, like a place to promote a crypto banner and a few other little places like that. But it's very simple concept. Leads Leap, I surf my ads every day. Infinity Traffic Boost, I surf my ads every day. And in fact, I surf 20 ads on Leads Leap, and I surf 20 ads on Infinity Traffic Boost. Infinity Traffic Boost, you earn daily shares every time you surf 10 ads of Bitcoin. That fluctuates. Program been around 7 years. It's not going anywhere. And on Leads Leap, I have so many referrals that, every single day I'm earning traffic and earning cash. On Leads Leap, you can withdraw your cash in the form of cash or in the form of Bitcoin. So, very simple, straightforward plan. Again, TASv is what you're promoting on Leads Leap and Infinity Traffic Boost. I'm going to be making more websites and web pages to kind of tie all this in together. Maybe a 4-step funnel or something like that. But again, Leads Leap, ICoin Pro, Infinity Traffic Boost, free to join. TASv to get active at $100 in Bitcoin one time. You can start earning $50 commissions. You promote TASv on Leads Leap, you earn a $50 commission. Very simple. You get paid instantly. You take $25, throw it in a trading account, and you learn how to trade through ICoin Pro. The other $25 you can put in Infinity Traffic Boost, and you direct that traffic back to your Leads Leap page, which keeps this machine turning. And the thing I've learned, because I have traded a little bit with the training in ICoin Pro, but to make a significant amount of money, you need a decent chunk of change to trade on. If you have a program like TASv that will boost up this whole process and make this whole thing grow a lot faster. The whole goal is to eventually max out the TASv comp plan, and that's basically stepping our way up to the highest product purchase. Same thing in ICoin Pro. As we're building up our TASv levels, we're building up our trading account as well. So we're kind of doing this at the same time. So basically, by the time you join $1,000 level in TASv, you should have $1,000 in your trading account as well. So $1,000 level, you're qualified to promote at TASv to earn instant, immediate $500 commissions, and your trading account should have $1,000 in it if you're following that plan correctly. At the same time, you should also be at the $1,000 approximately TPO level. I'll do a video in the future with Infinity Traffic Boost. So we're basically building all 3 of these up at the same time. And once you're at that point, you're earning a decent size income. So it's very, very simple. So 4 steps. Underneath this video, I'm going to do a capture page. If you're watching this video in an email, in the description is going to be a link to my video talking about this whole system. I just wanted to lay that out there. If you have any questions, leave them underneath this video. Name's Rob Frazier. We'll see you in the next one.